Junction block. In this exercise we will try to learn many features, that's why it is little bit longer exercise. So let's zoom, and this is the front view, and we are going to start from this view. Now you will see the centerpiece R37, and this width, okay, this width 37 into 2, height 109. If you see right hand side view, the depth of this 64 millimeter, but there is a this is hollow shape, thickness 12 millimeter. Okay, then similarly at bottom there is one square type of piece is there. You will see, if I zoom, 52 this width. This is center from front view, and from left view you will see this is lies at the back side from this to here 52, and this is 11 millimeter from one corner. Then at the bottom, and this width is 23 millimeter, see, and at the bottom there is one square 126 126, and the location for this, you will see from this side 37. Look, just note down from here and go to top view, and from back side, this is the back side 37. Okay, now the most important thing, we have to choose plane. So I'm going to select right plane, sketch. Okay, let me activate circle, then activate line tool. Just start from one end, right click, select. Now this is not vertical, so click and it will show you this option, choose vertical, smart dimension. Now hold shift key, select this line and go to top line and move cursor outside and leave, and here's 109. See, if this diameter 37 into 2, activate trim entity, power trim, just press left mouse and drag, and see this is trimmed. Okay, activate extruded boss base feature. Now here start condition we will keep same, end condition direction 1 blind, and here depth 64 millimeter. See, it is moving in one direction, that's it. This is what we like to want. Okay, activate shell feature. Here depth 12 millimeter, show preview, and in this let me choose this face, say okay. Now look, bottom sketch. Now activate here corner rectangle, activate smart dimension. Now this is 52, width and length both 52, and from one end dimension shows 11 millimeter, right? So this is any one, because this is lies at the center. If you rotate little, extrude. Now here start condition same, end condition blind, 23 millimeter is the depth, say yes. Okay, now again select this one, sketch. Now here we have to create a big corner rectangle. Now right click, exit. Now select these two rectangles and make one relation. If you select both and leave shift key, it will show you this option, equal, smart dimension 126. Okay, dimension from back side it is shown 37. I show you in drawing, and dimension from this bottom face to this edge 37, it is shown in front view. Okay, extrude, and the depth is 15 millimeter. Keep end condition blind, and it is moving in perfect direction, so no need to change it, say okay. Now there is one hole, but this hole we will create later. Come to this side, right hand side view, there is a 4420, this is the hole. You will see the hole up to the end of this wall, 25 millimeter from here, height 76, So let's do this. Sketch, circle, activate smart dimension, and distance from bottom edge 76, and this diameter 44, and the distance from outer edge it's 25 millimeter. Look, this is fully defined sketch. And how long we need to extrude? Now you will see in this option 39 millimeter. Extrude 39 millimeter. Say OK. Now select this face, sketch, activate circle tool, and keep cursor and you will see the center point. Draw, activate smart dimension, and this is 20 millimeter. Now again, now next extruded cut. Now here there are many options you can choose in end condition. Start we will keep same. Now here either you choose up to next. If you choose next, this is the next wall, it will cut up to the next. We can't choose through all, otherwise it will cut through all the body. So the best option is up to next. See. Now come to the bottom view. There are 4 holes. See, 13, 13, 12, and the distance between this, if you are going to calculate, it is 100 millimeter. Okay. Then there is one more hole. This is just lies at the center, 63, 63, 25, and the depth of this hole you will see here. If I am going to zoom, see in front view, you will see this dotted line. This is the hole, depth 38. Sketch, circle, activate circle tool, smart dimension. Now define this. Diameter is 12 millimeter and distance from one end, both end 13 millimeter. Select this one and this outer edge. Okay. Now activate extruded cut feature. Again here you can either choose through all. If you choose through all, it will go up to the end of body. So better to choose up to next. Even though you can choose blind and give the depth. Okay. Now here again we will do one more thing. Activate linear pattern. First X direction. So I am going to choose this one. Distance you can calculate, it's going to be 100. 2 number of thing. Direction 2, I am going to select this side arrow 100, and this is moving reverse direction. So simply reverse this arrow. Here look. Say OK. Select back face, sketch, activate circle, smart dimension 25 millimeter, and distance from both sides 63 millimeter. Okay. That's it. Activate extruded cut feature, and here depth is 38 millimeter according to our drawing. Say OK. Now few things we covered. Now here the next thing, we are going to make this upper face, this one you will see 46, 46. There is a hole 20 diameter, and this is lies at the center 23, 23, and from one edge is 15 millimeter. See, but we have to create a plane. From this face to here it's 152 dimension. Look, reference geometry, activate plane and select this one. And here I am going to choose 152, make flip side, okay, sketch. Now this is not reverse. Now this is the position. Activate corner rectangle, smart dimension 46. Okay. Here now hold shift key, select these two lines, leave the shift key, and you will see this pop up, or even though right hand side you will see the options equal. Smart dimension 15 millimeter. This is the important dimension. Now this is fully defined. So go to feature and select extruded boss base. Now in this condition, what you have to choose, plane we have to keep same, but here I am going to select end condition up to surface, and I am going to select this surface. You will see how it's move up to this surface. Say OK. Now look, a sketch, circle, smart dimension 20. Now distance from both end it's 23. Extruded cut. Now even here also we have too many options. If I am going to choose up to next, see this is going to cut up to the inside wall. Say OK. Even though you can choose surface. Look. Click on plane, hide. The back side, or if you see in top view, the back side there is one loft. We can create this with the help of loft feature. Now see, 58 inside, 44 outside, and the depth of this 31. So we will create one plane for this, and then there is a hole also, and this hole you will see in this view 25. Location at this 90 millimeter from here. This is important. Now select this face, sketch. Now here the bigger diameter 58, and distance from bottom edge 90. And one more relation, just select shift key, select these two center points and origin point. Now see, this is fully defined. Simply exit. Activate plane. First reference this one, then here depth 31. See? OK. Now select the plane, sketch, activate circle, and draw a circle at the same center point. And the diameter of this circle, activate smart dimension 44 millimeter. Exit. Now let me hide this. Now here go to feature, activate lofted boss base. Now in lofted boss base, first you have to choose profile. So I'm going to select 1, 2, these two profiles. See, these two nodes are okay. This is straight, so we don't need to change because this is simple thing. So we don't need any kind of guided curve. Say OK. Look, I am going to select this face, sketch, activate circle, and move cursor, and you will see center point. And here the diameter 25. Extruded cut. Now in this condition, even though you can choose up to next, say OK. See, the hole is created. Now let me create one rib here. See, there are 4 ribs. So let's try to create these ribs. This rib at center. Now this rib shows dimension from here 69, but if you calculate it, okay, we will make a plane, then we will create a rib. And this is center 12, all the ribs are 12 millimeter. Okay, first let me check where is our plane right now. Okay, in front, okay, this is already in center, so I am going to select front plane, sketch, activate line tool, and connect these 2 points. This is fully defined. Go to feature, activate rib. Now here keep both side and depth 10, and look, arrow moving towards body. So don't change anything, extrusion direction, everything same. Okay. Now here. Now let's activate one plane. Select here 69, flip. See? Okay. Now let me choose. Okay. Now let me draw one line. Now these straight, just simply go to op. Okay. Okay, let's keep as it is. I'm not going to define anything, and I'll show you how. Rib. Now this time I'm going to select this end. Now look how it is going to move from here to here. 12 millimeter, keep as it is, say okay. Now look, the rib is created. Now hide the plane. Now there is one problem. We selected here 135. Just click 126. Okay. Now everything perfect. Now here we have a rib at center. So simply let's try any plane. Okay. Front plane is going to work for this. Now in this case, this is center, but here you will see 13 millimeter away from edge, corner edge. See this one, and this is also lies at the center of this. And if you see, this is vertical to this, the second one. I'm talking about the second, fourth one, last one. Sketch, line, and start from somewhere from here. Smart dimension 13 millimeter. Rib. Now see arrow moving towards body. Keep mid one 12 millimeter, rest as it is, say okay. Okay. Now see, this is not going to make anything inside. It is perfectly make this side. Now similarly, we have to check which plane is going to lie, otherwise we have to create a plane. Okay, we have to create a plane at this center. So the simple way to make it plane, and I'm going to select 1, 2. Okay, now create it at center, sketch, line, and draw from here to up to this line. Activate rib. Now see arrow moving towards body. Thickness, move both side, rest as it is, say okay. Look. Now click hide plane. Now here we have to choose all fillets 3 millimeter. Now just close look and see the fillets. Inside there is a fillet. See this side also fillet. Corners. You will see these corners have fillet. Back side also have fillet. You will see here. Then here also see back side fillet. Inside also there is a fillet. This bottom also have fillet. And okay, this front don't have fillet. Back side, this corner, and this doesn't have, and these ribs have. This rib also, even though this all rib have fillets. Fillet, constant size fillet, symmetric 3 millimeter keep radius. Now first we will try to choose vertical fillets. Vertical fillet makes your life more easier because it will the next fillet going to be make perfect shape. Okay, this doesn't have fillet. Okay, come to these vertical inside also. Say okay. Now choose again fillet 3 millimeter. Now see, if I'm going to choose, it will select all once at a time. This is the advantage if we choose vertical fillet first. See, here also we have advantage. Here also we have advantage. Okay, let me select these four corners separately. Okay, that's perfect. Fillet. Now I'm going to select this edge. I don't think so we need to select this edge, but see, it is going to similarly comes here. Okay, here also balance. Say okay. Now let's check again anything balance, or I hope we did all. Even though if you want to add, just click edit, and even if you want to add, just select this one. Okay, now here we go. Okay, now let's try to add color. Now the first one, shell, you can simply go to edit appearance, this one. Okay, now the bottom one, bottom both, edit pink. Okay, now this one, even the cutout depth of hole, even okay, let's leave the hole. Fine. Okay, now let me check this one. Lofted, edit appearance, and yellow. Okay, directly choose this fillet, edit appearance, and directly choose red. Okay, now there are many ribs. Now all ribs, okay, let me choose rib 1. Hold control key, not shift. And for rib I'm going to select blue. Okay, That's it. Now this face is not going to blue because this is attached with this. Now but the face is changed, color changed. Now look. Now here I feel some few more things balance. Now I'm going to create new constant size fillet 3 millimeter, and I'm going to unchecked. Okay, here not going to be apply. This end is here need, and this end also, this end also, and comes here. And in this case this full edge, and this inside also we forget to add. See this side here available. Say okay. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.